Moving on, Priya Sachdev files application in Delhi High Court seeking a non-disclosure agreement to disclose personal assets of Sanjay Kapoor. Karishma Kapoor's kids and Rani Kapoor should sign an NDA. Kapoor praised to court, quoting cyber security and other security issues. In last hearing, the court had directed Sachdev to give details of personal assets left behind by her late husband. Now, Sachdev filed the application in court saying that she wants to disclose the assets in a sealed cover and she would need non-disclosure agreement from all parties who get hold of the same. My colleague Nupur Dogra is joining me with more. Take a look.
Well, here's the 30,000 crore worth of inheritance battle between the Kapoors over the property and businesses left behind by Sanjay Kapoor has got murkier. Now, tomorrow, Priya Sachdev Kapoor is expected to file a detailed list of personal assets left behind by her late husband Sanjay Kapoor in a sealed cover report. Now, she has filed a fresh application in the top court seeking a non-disclosure agreement from all the parties who will be accessing the list, claiming threats of cybersecurity and other security threats. She has said that anyone who accesses the list of personal assets must sign a non-disclosure agreement. Remember, previously for disclosure of will that was left behind by Sanjay Kapoor, saying that who will inherit his personal assets was also disclosed, Priya had said that it will only be disclosed when the parties sign a non-disclosure agreement on the same. The High Court had also previously orally observed that yes, it is possible the parties can sign an NDA and go through the will. However, Karishma Kapoor's children have claimed that the will is forged and they do not believe that their father left behind nothing from his personal assets for them. However, Priya Sachdev Kapoor in fact questioned their locus in filing this case against her. She said they have already been handed over their share in the RK Trust that is separate from the personal assets left behind by Sanjay Kapoor. She claimed that she in fact also referred to the prolonged legal divorce battle that Karishma Kapoor fought against Sanjay Kapoor, and she said, where was all the love and affection when you fought the case up till the Supreme Court? And several arguments and counter arguments were made in the previous hearing. Now, in a fresh development, she has filed an application saying that everyone who accesses these details about personal assets should sign a non-disclosure agreement. The Delhi High Court will hear the case tomorrow, and it will be important to see that what fresh development happens in the case.